Hey guys, and today I'm playing at Ballahack Airsoft Field in Chesapeake, Virginia, which is actually the biggest field on the East Coast. And this is actually my first time at a real airsoft field. Hope you'll enjoy. And I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed because it took 2 days to get to this awesome field.
I can't fire in here. I mean, I can fire out.
We all can't be up here at once, but some of us are me. I feel it.
Daddy, it's you.
Let me off strip.
Where are you going?
Hey, Daddy. You guys ready? Yes. Even where? Can we shoot him?
This trailer is one of 3 points we have to control.
Red. All over there.
Target approaching from the north.
They're pushing. Hit!
While you enjoy me tying my shoe, you should like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss any opening. So I'm behind enemy lines and I didn't even realize.
Hit!
Watch the back, watch the back. Check this out. Run! Run!
Yeah, there's him.
Get down. Bruh.
Oh my god. You see the slits, my man.
You know where they were shooting at?
Down,
Yeah,
like that.
the red building with the double story.
Alright, we just gotta get past there.
I could try the push-up right there.
Yeah, we can go in the container. I'll watch left. Tyler, you watch right for him. Ready? Okay, go.
That's red, right there. That's red.
Hey, red!
Yeah.
It's red right there. Blue in those containers over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna push it to the door right there.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.